Good evening. The time is 7 p.m. Sunday, August 29, 2021. The news headline: Amaechi, if we are not careful, we will be chased out of Abuja one day. Amaechi says the day poor men come together, all politicians will run. The news in full. The Minister of Transportation, Rotimi Amaechi, has accused the political elites of burning the resources of Nigeria, saying deprived Nigerians would one day chase them out of Abuja. Amaechi said some big men have relocated from their states to Abuja because they do not feel safe in their home states. He also said secessionist agitations in the country should not be seen as a problem, saying economic deprivation and injustice are the reasons some groups are calling for a breakup. Amaechi said both Nigerians in the northern and southern regions are deprived, adding that injustice did not start from President Muhammadu Buhari's administration. The minister, in an interview with Daily Trust, said the president is doing his best to put the country on track. He said, in the past, when I was the speaker and later governor, I said we would wake up one day and the young boys we deprived would chase us out of town. How many big men are still living in their states? They have all run away. Everybody is here in Abuja, which is protected because the president is here. One day, the boys will be courageous and we will be on the run. People are saying that secession is the problem, but it is not. There are two reasons for secession: economic deprivation and injustice. Did the injustice start from this government? I was there, so we need to address it. The North has people who are deprived, just as the South is also deprived, as well as the Westerners and Easterners. He, however, warned that those leading the crisis of insurrection to be careful, because the day the poor people of this region come together as a people, all of us will run. They can try as much as possible to divide the country, but the day the poor men come together, we will run, he said. The minister also said there will be no need to stay together as Nigerians if Nigeria is not diversifying its economy, and also put the necessary infrastructures in place. The time is 7:05 p.m. The analysis. Rotimi Amaechi, the present Minister of Transportation and a one-time governor, has actually voiced out, having an interview with some newsmen, whereby he made an assertion that very soon, if care is not taken, every one of them, the politicians and the big men, will be chased out of Abuja. He made mention that if the poor men should come together as one very soon out of frustrations of the injustice and insecurity of the nation, then all politicians should be ready to be on the run. Amaechi said that some big men have actually relocated from their states because they did not feel safe. They did not feel safe in their own personal home state, and they have fled and relocated to the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja. He made mention of it that the secessionist agitations, just like the IPOB and the Oduduwa Republic and the MASOB, he said they are not the problem and they should not be seen as the problem. He said the major problem is that there is economic deprivation and also injustice, and that is why some of these groups are calling for a breakup. Amaechi noted that Nigerians in the northern and also the southern regions are deprived, adding that the nation, the citizens of Nigeria, have to understand the fact that the injustice that we are talking about now did not just start from the administration of President Muhammadu Buhari. In an interview with Daily Trust, he said that the president is actually doing his best to make sure that the country gets back on track. Amaechi also said that in the past, when he was the speaker, and sometimes ago when he became the governor, he has once cited that there will be a day where he would wake up and also some politicians will wake up and the young boys whom they have deprived of their rights will rise to their focal biceps and chase them out of the town. He said, and it is becoming reality today, because how many of these big men can boldly live in their own home states? He said they are all on the run, running away from their own home states. He said everybody is in Abuja now because they feel that Abuja is where the president can be found and it is actually heavily protected. But he noted that one day the boys, the poor people, and those that have been deprived of their rights would be so courageous and they would come around to this place that the politicians feel that is safe for them, and every one of them again will be on the run. He actually addressed the notion that people saying that the secession is the problem should need to understand that that is not the case. He said there are two reasons for secession, which he had mentioned earlier on, which is the economic deprivation and injustice. He said the North people who are deprived are not the only one deprived, but also the South, as well as the Westerners and even the Easterners, which means that every one of the country are deprived of a particular right or the other. He therefore warns that those leading the crisis of insurrection that they need to be very careful, because one day the poor people of this region will actually come together as one and will pursue every one of them. The minister also said that if there is need to stay together as Nigerians, then Nigeria have to make sure that Nigeria have to make sure that there is diversification of the economy, and they have to put all necessary infrastructures in place. And by doing that, then the big men running helter-skelter from their home states to a seemingly more secure space would actually have peace of mind, because by the time they have addressed the problem of economic deprivation and there is justice in the nation, then every secession group and every citizen of the country will be rest assured and have peace of mind, and will find no reason to cause issues or ask for a breakup of the country. The time is 7:12 p.m. Good evening.